Good morning, YouTube. I just got done doing another video and I'm on my way to do an installation, a marquee. Figured I would pop back on for that. It's cold out now. I got, my hat on, I got a sweatshirt on. I think it's like, 35 degrees out this morning. I probably missed my turn again, but oh well. But I'm doing a marquee and the ground is frozen enough to where I'm not going to put poles in the ground just yet. But fortunately, this customer, I've been here before, I think it's my second or third trip to this house, and they have a fence. And so this time their marquee is going on the fence. And what I will try to do, let's get over right now. What I'm going to try to do is not shoot a whole video because I don't have a tripod and I have no one helping me install this today. But just show you how I do a marquee on a fence. Last night let's see, we should be okay. Because it's cold out and because I want to get in and out as quickly as possible. Last night I went and put all my glue dashes on my foils. I have a car, so I can't just put it all together and then do it there. So I have to actually put everything together once I get on to the location. But what I did do last night was lay out all the balloons and at least get the glue dashes where I want them, so I can just kind of piece it together like a puzzle when I get there. But I'm basically just going to tie the marquee itself, the base, to the fence with a couple of 260s, and then just build off of there. And of course it's freezing out, and so all the foils have to be reinflated a bit. And I'm not sure about the little ones I have. I've got a couple of little small foils that I had to seal already, and so I pumped them up as much as I could without exploding them last night. And I'm either going to use them or I'm not. I'm really hoping that they have enough air left in them so that I can use them, because I did a wreath design for Halloween, and when I took it outside it just went, and so I'm like, oh, okay, well, those aren't going to work because, I mean, you can puff back the ones that are self-sealing, but the ones that you have to seal, they don't work that way. So you're not getting any more air into them. And what I really need to find is like a battery-powered curling iron, I think would be enough to seal those, or some kind of battery-powered sealer, so that you can inflate them when you get there and then just add the extra little bit of air to it. I don't know. But what have you all been doing? You guys been staying busy? Have you been just waiting it out? Because now they're saying 2022. And I'm going to tell you, if I had to wait another year, I'm not going back to blue twisting. I don't miss it. I thought I would miss it more. I mean, the decor work has been fun. And you still get to be creative, and you don't have, did I miss my turn again? I missed my turn again. Son of a gun. Because there's no audio. Hold on, I'm going to turn here. I have missed my turn. I've gone out of my way like probably 3 miles now because I don't. 0.2 miles, turn right on Noble. Okay. Isn't this fun? But, no, I mean, I want to say I miss balloon twisting, but I don't. I don't miss the groups. I don't miss the crowds. I don't miss stealing people. I don't miss being sore afterwards. I don't miss my hands drying out. I miss creating balloons, but, I don't miss the big events. I do miss face painting. I really miss face painting and airbrush. I have got, how much? I've got like $20,000 in stencils, and that's $20,000 like manufacturer price, that are just sitting there taking up all this space in what is supposed to be the balloon room now. So I'm probably going to have to, I didn't even package them all yet. I got most of them packaged, but I need to finish packaging. I started in January and just stopped once I realized, we weren't coming back this year. But I don't know. I need to do something with them because they're just taking up too much space. I'm rambling. Okay, this is Chicago. This is not Huron. Okay, next block down? Maybe? Where are you? Alright, I'm going to turn this off so I can actually find where I'm going. And then I'll try and do a few little shots while I'm working just to explain it. Alright, bye. Okay, so I got All right, so I got the base on, and I'm gonna show you real quick. It's just a 260 tied in 3 spots. Right, just to hold it up nice and snug. And then you trim up the back. And next I'm gonna attach all my, I did have to do another spiral, but it's not perfect, but it'll work. Next I gotta do my foils. And as you can see, they're soft and squishy. So I gotta fill these back up, and then I will come back. Okay, we're coming along real nice now. As you can see, all I did with this is put 2 60s, one to that one to that one, and I got glue dashes in there. And I'm gonna attach this big fox up here. So last night I go ahead and put them in place. This isn't gonna be the main support, but it will at least get it all together for right now so that I can put it together in the back. And I just learned a very valuable lesson. Glue dashes do not stick in the cold. Not if you're putting them on fresh. They stick fine down here, but I just put the fox on and it does not stick. But fortunately, that's not how I'm gonna secure it. I did just put some tape back there just so it doesn't blow away. But lesson learned. Okay, so you can see here's the back side, these zip ties, and a bunch of tape because the glue dashes do not work at all in the cold. And from the front, let's see, everything looks level. Everything's stuck on there good, and I think it's done. This is my bag. I had to make it myself because Ken doesn't do balloon bags anymore. But I got all my stuff in there. And I like using the fences just to hang bags. That way I can just toss everything back in here when I'm done. The tape, I got it all. And I have basically every round I need. And I always take every type of 260, 160 I have, because you never know when you're gonna have to replace something. Oops, but. And here's the last shot. I went and straightened up the curls a little bit best I could. Yeah, I only had one chrome pink left and the other one popped on me, but I got a spiral back in there. I used some Geo Blossoms in the front. Oh, get that.